Titan Company has reported earnings that were above expectations in Q4. However, barring a few pockets, discretionary demand is likely to remain subdued in FY21. In our ideas for profit today, I will discuss if it is the right time to look at Titan with an eye on the long term. Well, if you see, Titan's Q4 results were definitely above the street expectations this time, with higher gross profits and control over advertisement and also other expenses. Revenue growth had declined by 5% year-on-year, also due to lost sales in March, as all stores were closed from 22nd of March as compared to revenue growth of 16% for January and for February. Now, gross margin also improved thanks to better sales mix, and EBITDA was higher by 33% on the back of lower advertisement costs and also other expenses. Lower other income, higher depreciation, and the interest resulted in a lower after-tax profit. The jewelry division saw degrowth in revenue of 6%. That was due to lost sales in March. In the watches segment, Titan is a number 2 player by volumes terms in India. Now, revenues grew well for the month of January and February before the lockdown. E-commerce was the fastest growing channel for both Q4 FY20 and for FY20. Now, if you see, opportunity size for the eyewear market is around 11,000 crore rupees. Growth in the eyewear division for the month of January and February months was flat, while for the quarter, it declined by 17%. The June 2020 quarter is likely to be even severely impacted on account of no sales in April and part of May as well. Currently, more than 1,400 outlets of the 1,800 stores are open. Most plants have also started working as well. For stores that were open 4 to 5 weeks, the average daily sales have been in the range of 60 to 80%, with improvement seen week on week. With large-scale weddings now ruled out in the current scenario, management expects more funds for purchase of jewelry for Sridhan now. Substantial reduction on the holiday travel can also lead to a wallet share gain for jewelry. However, the ride may get really bumpy as competition could rise because jewelers are sitting on inventory gains on gold and could go for increased promotional offers to generate liquidity. Economic slowdown could impact studded jewelry sales and result in lower gross margins in all. Eyewear segment is expected to recover faster as it is a product of necessity. Having said that, most of Titan's products are discretionary in nature, where people are likely to reprioritize in the post-COVID world. Most products are still in touch and feel category, so pure online play is likely to be a challenge as well for Titan. Now, in the light of the immediate changes, management has also started cost reduction exercises and also to drive capital efficiency. And investors looking for buying a high-quality domestic consumption play for long run should really ignore FY21 and really focus on the performance in FY22 and maybe beyond. Titan has already recovered by 38% from its lows seen in March 2020, along with broader recovery in the markets. Now, investors looking for an investment with a long-term view should accumulate Titan on every weakness.